body to the air. Ang hang-up. Balansihin mo ang galaw ng iyong mga kamay kasi sakit ng kalingkingan, sakit ng buong katawan. Let's wave your hands to the air. Release all kinds of tension. Release all kinds of stress. Problema sa pera, problema sa kalusugan. Bitawan mo na, kaibigan. Balansihin ang katawan. Wave your body. Touching the heaven. Hawakan ang 4 fingers on your left hand. Wave. Hang up. Stretch your body. That's connected to your frozen shoulder, pelvis elbow, kidney syndromes. Hang up. That is right. Wave your body, hang up. Side. Slow motion that connect to your entire body. Sakit ng kalingkingan, sakit ng buong katawan. Wave your hands to the air, fly like a bird. That's connected to your colon. Wave your hand, reverse. Wave hand. Relax your spine. Inhale. Kunin mo ang magandang enerhiya pataas. Ibuga mo ang basurang hangin pababa. Exhale. Let's begin with a Tai Chi.